Hey guys, today this is my first voice reveal and I'm gonna expose the channel. Its name is CNP Queen Roblox. Yeah, we're searching for it. This is the one I say that is so mean. Yeah, I have to expose him. Why it takes so long? I'm sorry for this thing. Yeah, look at this. Look at this. Stala hating Roblox. Yeah. Because he ate bacon. He keep making a video of bacons and girls. Yeah, bacon girl and bacon. I'm not subscribing at this channel, and I keep disliking the ball. It's just shorts. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna dislike this. And look at this. He keeps commenting himself. If do you know if you care about yourself, then get a job about yourself. Imagine it almost 2020 you're still hating your bacons. Yeah. I'm gonna comment at this guy. He's so W. I'll give him a comment W.
You know, at first I
I hate
didn't
my
really
Wi-Fi
like you.
here.
And now I still don't.
Is she ugly?
Wait a minute.
I hate the little girl. I hate the little girl. Wait. Who's the best? The bacons. The bacons are the best. I am the best. Team Team Bacon's here. I'm gonna send it. He said it's best. He's going to marketplace and he thought he's rich. He only got $1. Yeah. He's not billionaire. He can't get that. He's just a kid that says he's the best in the world. You think he's not? Uh, it's not the best one. Icons are not allowed. We don't. Yeah, we don't care. We don't care. I'm with Jim. Wait. Guys, I'm in Roblox and I think he does. He still didn't accept. Yeah, I'm adding him, but he still don't. Oh, this is me. If you want to add me, yeah. I love Motorola because I love text. So he still doesn't add it. Let's check it. I don't remember what his name. But anyways, let's see what's there. Oh, yeah. Here you go. Here you go. Yeah. What is this? This is community. Yeah. Time to do it. Sorry for voices because my big bro is watching. Yeah. Sorry for that. So here my brother is watching. Here you go guys. This is his group. Now I'm joining community. Team His team are also mean. I hate looking about this. So I can comment. Hey guys, you didn't know I'm Filipino. So I'm gonna comment CNP Queen. I'm a bad speller. CNP Queen is fatherless. He's fatherless clown. Bacon. Bacon is the best. Don't mind Bacons. If you hate bacons, then mind your. Oh, I'm a bad speller. Mind your own business. I'm a bad speller. Business. Yeah, you better be. You better shut up. You better shut up. This device is also do not be for is turned on. Hmm, shut up. I will, because Roblox said, tell people shut up. Yeah. Bacon is the best. Talk about make it if you hate bake. And mind your own business. Yeah, let's go. You know Shrill-Face? I don't know what is Shrill-Face, but it's ugly. He's just using the marketplace to. He's using his marketplace to look like an emo, like that. Yeah. I'm a bad blogger. Yeah. He's. I think he have a big sister. Like he's using his big sister's account and he's running CNP Queen. Yeah. His real account is DJ Love Trouble first. It's just a bacon, huh? Yeah. DJ Love Trouble. Yeah. You know, I watch this roasting. I watch roasting videos. CNP Queen doesn't. Shut up, guys. I'm just gonna type something in my community to say CNP Queen. Bye bye. Oh, here you go. That's good. Now say bye and watch for the part 2. Okay?